ever investigated threats against me, which are all documented, but we do not give them the information because we don't trust them at all.
That's two questions right there for you.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
kasi sabi po nila mga congressman po, ma'am, kasi parang contrived lang daw yung threat ninyo. Parang it's just an imaginary threat. Like for example, si Asidre nagsabi na imaginary daw yung threat ninyo, unlike doon sa sinasabi na threat daw yung inyong threat to the First Family and Speaker Romualdez. What's your take on this po? Kasi parang dinidismiss po ng mga congressman na kayo po ay nagkakaroon ng threat sa inyong buhay. Parang sinasabi nila, hindi naman, parang imaginary lang yung threat ni Vice President as opposed to sa sinabi niya doon sa press conference. What's your take on this?
Yes, we have documents, sir. We have screen caps, we have photos, we have police blotters.